There are such a large number of chances on the web with regards to profiting on the web. Without a doubt, you have seen the promotions where you can get paid a full-time salary by having an online business. Be that as it may, at that point you start to question, how do I fabricate a site? What item would I be able to sell? How would I advance it? How might I get the traffic? Before you know it, the job needing to be done appears to be very troublesome. There is anyway one genuine strategy for acquiring cash on the web, and that is to take reviews for cash. In what capacity would this be able to be conceivable? Numerous organizations out there have items to sell in some structure. Anyway, without the purchaser input, there is no genuine method for estimating the preferences of an item. Likewise, without this information, organizations would not so much ability they can improve their item. This is the sort of data organizations would spend enormous cash so as to get this sort of pivotal input. That is the place overviews come in. How might I get these organizations to send me studies? There are online study associations with enormous databases of organizations that need overviews finished. So to guarantee you ceaselessly get studies to finish with the goal that you get an enduring pay, you have to pick a respectable online study organization. You would prefer not to be in a circumstance where you just get 2 or 3 overviews to beginning off with, and after that you hang tight weeks for the following review. The key to success. So it is along these lines conceivable to take overviews for cash and procure an enduring salary. The way into your prosperity would be in the determination of the online overview organization in order to guarantee you constantly get studies to finish and that you get paid well for each study. Click the link in the description for more information.